Hi everybody, this is Pierre, back another day with another unboxing, and I still hate all the delivery companies. So here we have the Fearless, I don't know what these are called exactly, but these are the reflective ones. Yeah, I don't know what these are called, but I liked a bunch of the Fearless sneakers, but I didn't get any of them except from these pair. And this one I just had to have because I love reflective sneakers. Different box, different paper. It says limits like fear are often used an illusion. And here we have the white paper. And the thing with these shoes, the most special thing is that we have a zoom unit or zoom units in the whole shoe instead of just the air bubble in the heel. Fair limits like fair are often used an illusion. So there were two reasons why I really wanted these pair of shoes. First of all, the reflective thing, I would have bought them anyway. And then with the zoom unit, I think that even if it's a retro Jordan and it's supposed to look OG like they did 30 years ago, etc., etc., I want comfortable shoes. And zoom unit you don't see them, it doesn't bother the design, it doesn't bother the shoe, anything at all. So why not put zoom in all of the shoes? Usually we only have that in the basketball shoes. I can't even feel them. No, you just I got bubbles in the shoe, and I don't think it's supposed to be like that. But anyway, here we can see the whole zoom sole. So maybe the quality wasn't exactly on point because the insole are not supposed to be removable that easy. It's supposed to be glued in place. Yeah, same thing here. I even think that is a bit too long because it wrinkles. But yeah, so we have a zoom sole and then we have the reflective thing. The tongue is nothing, much thinner than on any other Air Jordan 1. And the stupid thing is that I bought a bunch of reflective sneakers from Nike Jordan brand, and none of them have the reflective laces. The Black Cat 6 and something else has, but why not put reflective laces on all the shoes that are all reflective? Then we have green laces, red laces. Red laces might work, green laces not at all. And the thing is with the reflective material is that if I kill the light, these will look black enough. But usually reflective looks like this gray, and this doesn't look good. And you can have it looking like this, just white, and that's super nice. So reflective doesn't have to be that gray, silver, whatever. And I'm gonna kill the light so you will see. So now the shoes look more or less black. I can see that they are not exactly the same in color. Like the toe box is a little bit more blue, purple, and the rest is more gray, black. Even here is another color. But with the 3M effect, the reflective effect, these are more fluorescence, more purple, shifting, chameleon than other reflective sneakers. So I'm going to show you that as well. Then I'm going to kill the light. Okay, I see that you only see them glowing. You can't see the effect. So that won't help. Maybe if I turn on the light, maybe. Yes, this is okay. Here we still had the light on, so according to my eyes, they still look the gray, dark purple. The shoes are very light, much more lighter than your standard Air Jordan 1 because of the sole, the zoom unit. So as you can see, which I just saw, these are more purple fluorescence when they glow than like these. And my favorite is actually the so-called Singles Day, these white sneakers. These are really cool. I've noticed that these are more, the reflective is more sensitive. So when I use these in daylight and there is just any kind of light from the ceiling, these kind of glow. I don't think these will do that. In the dark, of course. So I'm kind of surprised that these, I don't think it's sold out, but it went very fast because the reflections of a Champion pack, they are on sale for like half the price everywhere, and I love them. So I thought that nobody was going to like these just because they didn't care about the other reflective sneakers. But Air Jordan 1s are hyped. The whole Fearless thing is hyped. So yeah. Lightweight shoe. Nice sort of black shoe that will look great when going out. And now in the autumn and the winter when it's dark outside, another reason that is perfect with reflective sneakers. The sole goes from red and dark to white and light blue, icy sole. And I think they could have skipped that actually, but didn't need that. So I would prefer if the whole shoe, I don't like black shoes, but in this case with the reflective thing, I would prefer if the whole shoe were used black. I'm gonna tie them and put them on foot. Let me know what you think, comment, subscribe, like, share. That would be nice if you share my video. That would be a first. So far so good. I just want the reflective laces. So if you have a link for me where I can buy reflective laces to all my shoes, please let me know. So on foot. It actually bothers me quite a bit that the insole isn't glued because it feels like it's a bit too long for the shoe. Yeah, and I think the all suede blue Air Jordan 1, I have the same problem with them, so I can feel, it's no problem. But the shoe is a little bit tighter than your standard Air Jordan 1. I can even see that on the model. They look a bit more narrow than your standard Air Jordan 1. And since the material is stiffer than leather, it may be a slightly bit harder to put on. But they look super cool, even without the flash. But yeah, we have this problem. Since I had this problem in I don't know, some other shoe, maybe some Kobe's or something. When you have a zoom sole and the insole is not glued on, so when you wear your shoes loose like I do, and your foot moves freely inside of the shoe, they're actually kind of tight, a bit too tight for my taste. You hear when the insole sticks to the bottom and releases. So you have that sticky noise when you're walking them. Yep. So that's not nice. And the material is stiff. They are a bit narrow. So if you have very wide feet, but then wider than me, and I don't think you have that, then you could go up half a size. But the length is normal. It's nice with the zoom sole, it is. Maybe it's just because I'm not used to it, but I feel that the heel part is a bit too soft. That's why I prefer like the LeBrons, where you have different pods around the shoe and not one long zoom sole. But this is just a cool shoe, just because of the reflective thing. So let me turn off the light. So when you go out like this, here's your black shoe, nothing special, black Air Jordan 1. And then when the lights hits on and you have the reflective effect, it's a super cool shoe. But a bit too soft in the heel for me. And I weigh about 95 kilos. Yeah, Nike shoes, basketball shoes, they are what we think made for bigger guys. But I have a couple of shoes, like the Air Force One, where you had the zoom sole loose, you could pull it out. Those shoes are way too soft for me. I can't even wear them. And I think I have a couple of other shoes that are too soft as well. So here you have it. Stiff shoe, a bit narrow, zoom unit that wasn't a must here. Maybe even a bit too soft. It would be nice if you, I don't know, a bit stiffer in the heel and still as soft as this in the front. But it's a super cool shoe, it is. But now you just realize I paid a bit over $200 for these. And that's not worth it. Your standard Air Jordan 1 is like $160. These cost me $215, I think, here in Sweden with shipping. And that's a lot. The reflective Air Jordans, the reflections of a Champion pack are way better than these. Way better. But yeah, cool shoe. I hope you like my video and my opinions. Let me know what you think. Thank you for watching. Bye.